Installing the GM 1-ton steering kit from Ruff Stuff Specialties onto the Crew Cab Comanche. Now it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is start disconnecting all your brake components on the passenger front of the vehicle. Once you have all your brake components disassembled from the wheel assembly, now you can move on and start getting ready to remove that stock steering knuckle. You're going to want to upgrade to a high steer knuckle. This will help your GM 1-ton steering kit give you more favorable geometries. Now it's pretty simple to remove, but you will find that there are some difficult bolts to remove. Once you get past all that, it's pretty easy. Remove that brake cover and then start to remove the axle shaft. Having a puller will really help out immensely getting that axle shaft loose and that old knuckle off. Go ahead and install that new high steer knuckle. Pretty simple process, just do it in reverse. Get ready to do this a few times. Doesn't always work right the first time. Once you have everything perfectly aligned and you got your brake system installed back on there, it's a pretty simple process from there. Now, one thing you're going to want to do is have a tube bender. If you don't have a tube bender, you might find that you have some collision issues and some clearance issues, especially with your sway bar disconnect. Putting a 10 or 15 degree bend on each end on your drag link and your tie rod, this will help immensely on giving you the clearance you need if you do want to keep that sway bar disconnect. Go ahead and trim off any excess material once you have your bends in. Definitely make sure to measure a few times because you want this to be precise. So I went ahead and rather than using a reamer, I just bored it out to 7/8 and then used these nice Ruff Stuff Specialties tapered inserts. They're pretty inexpensive if you don't want to spend the $100 on a high-end reamer. Go ahead and reinstall all those new HD steering components. And don't forget to take off that old Pitnam arm and put on that GM 1-ton steering that fits onto that Cherokee spline on that Pitnam arm. Again, having a puller will make this job go a lot faster. Yeah, it was pretty simple to install all in all. 10 out of 10 would recommend Ruff Stuff Specialties GM 1-ton steering kit if you got a Cherokee or a Comanche and want to beef up that steering. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.